Welcome to Economics and Financial Foresight Strategies. Here we're going to see India's golden strategy of a silver. The next update. Imagine your grandmother's anklet, passed down through generations, each with the monsoon prayer, not just sentimental relic, but suddenly a vaulted superpower flipping global market overnight. In April 2026, India remonetized 25,000 tons of household silver, letting family pledge it for 85% of a loan. The RBI and SEBI shattered Western paper illusion. India devouring 25% of the world's supply. Just detonate the silver bomb. Here, why it changes everything. In India, silver isn't a commodity. It's a bloodline of a culture, the quiet wealth of a billion souls. Rural farmers don't chase mutual fund after harvest. They buy heavy anklet, intricate Mangalsutra, stamp bars, 25,000 metric tons of a hidden in log boxes, worth trillion. 2025 import exploded to 6,000 ton, around 9.2 billion in value, as the prices tripled to 2.4 lakh per kg. Why? Solar farm, EVs, 5G all crave silver's conductivity. Yet for generation, crisis stuck. Failed monsoon, wedding, illness forced families to smell heirloom at a local dealer. Heartbreak cycle, cheap scrap to global smelter, subsidizing Western industries. India consumed 200 to 215 million ounce yearly, but scrap kept prices suppressed. Amid 5 years of 150 million plus ounce deficit, old instinct endure. Silver as a real money, not a paper promise. Demonetized century ago, it never died here. Now that ancestral memory awakens. April 1st, 2026. RBI bombshell. Bank accept physical silver, jewelry, coin up to 10 kg per person as a tier 1 collateral. Lend 85% of a value. Redeem in 7 days. No selling, no smelting. A farmer pledges his bar for tractor loan. A bride keep her Mangalsutra vaulted for medical bills. This channel rupees 30 lakh crore. Dead capital into formal loan. Ditching 36 informal sharks. SEBI mandate MCX rupees spot over London LBMA. Rigging ETF poured in 9,463 crore January 2026. Duty slash to 6 to 0% since 2024. Fuel solar hoarding. Chinese strategic claim Titan 2. Emotionally, it is a liberation. Silver evolved from dusty safety net to living money, like a treasury bond or family debt. Philosophically, it profound, reversing flat betrayal, where paper eclipse hard wealth, families retain ownership. Bank vault pristine collateral, scale it, tens of a million of ounces sequestered, not shipped to China or US Mint. The global float shrink day by loan. The bomb drop on past world. Industry guzzle silver, solar 20% year on year. EVs, missile, smartphone, yet minus stagnant. Scrap was a lifeline. India closes the drain. Silver hit $75 per ounce. Peak yearly 2026. Crash 37%, around 2 lakh per kg, but rebound loom to $80 to $100 per ounce as a physical bid dominate. London PM fix irrelevant. ETF bleed. Silver Institute flag endless deficit. Human nature amplifies. Why sell when you borrow against it? Farmer hoard more, knowing its inflation-proof cash. Bank build unbreakable balance sheet. Physical over derivatives. This isn't a chaos. It layered justice. West paper palaces traded 100x physical supply, shorting reality. India moved forces through discovery, physical asset over algorithm. Mumbai Wall, Trump Manhattan spreadsheet, wealth flows, East cultural tradition, weaponized into sovereignty. India win big. SME thrives on a cheap loan. Solar races to 100 gigawatt by 2030 and 500 gigawatt by 2035. Stockpiling 8,000 ton into 45 lakh crore war chest. Rupee physical swap bypass SWIFT for crisis. Q3 2026 300 million ounce deficit. BRICS July summit pushes silver back trade. US tariff on Indian PV. Retaliation sends flow to Russia, Argentina. Risk rupee volatility. Globally $120 per ounce. By 2027, margin call. Western shorts. Copycat rise Asia, Middle East. Scared by hyperinflation. Mimic the blueprint. Philosophy shine. Flats era end. Silver, whose name means money in ancient tongue, written via grassroots plumbing. No central bank hold. People empower it. The West hook on a cheap metal for green salvation. Faces starvation. Irony. They buried silver as a relic. Now beg for it. India's silver bomb. Philosophical return to real money. Emotional shield for families. Mathematical market killer. Days of cheap silver. Over, like and subscribe. For geo-economical fire. Comment stacking silver sources below.